Everybody in town knows our house, and a lot of them know it as the red house, although Helen, maybe that might be changing. Looks like you're thinking about a new paint color?
We are.
So you put up a couple samples, or Morrow did.
We've got a historic color here.
Greenfield pumpkin.
Yeah, really like that color. So we're thinking about that one seriously. This one probably not.
Not so much this. I mean, it's not quite a pumpkin, but it's in the same sort of family. What don't you like about that?
Too pale, I think.
I get that a lot. So not enough sort of depth to it right there, just sort of fades away?
Yeah, not enough depth.
Okay, and I suspect it makes a difference too with what you do with the roof. The roof is getting changed out. Hey, Charlie. Yeah. And here's the man who's going to change it. He was kind enough to put some samples up for us. What'd you put up there, Charlie?
The very end here, we have a pewter gray architectural shingle. There's a charcoal architectural next to it. Charcoal in the center, which is a 3-tab shingle. And in the very end, we have a slate line, and that's an English gray.
So different colors, different looks. What about performance, Charlie?
They all have the highest rated fire protection, all have algae protection, all have a very high wind protection, about 130 miles an hour, but the 3-tab's down to about 60 miles per hour.
So everything's 130, but this is 60.
Right.
So we'll handle the performance. We'll make sure that that happens the way it should. You need to decide on look. What are you thinking? I mean, as you look up here, you got any thoughts?
Well, I think with the red, this one just went up today,
Yes.
but I think that looks nice with the red. The slate gray.
Yeah.
It's not too gray, you
Nope.
know. And then if we do end up going with this pumpkin, whatever we want to call it, color, I think maybe the charcoal would go better with that.
Sounds like architectural is the style, and then the color is probably going to come down to what you end up with on the sidewall.
I think that's how it's going to go.
Good. That's actually narrowed it down.
It really does, and that's a big help to know which direction to go into.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.